testing out the new Downdraft oven vent for the kitchen installation, and happened to notice that the method of multiple fan speed this Viking unit uses is single wire, hot and neutral, and it uses a variable frequency drive to manage the 4 speeds. The motor I have, the remote motor for the squirrel cage fan to draw air through this, uses a different method of fan speed. It has multiple windings, 4 windings for 4 speeds, and a wire for each one of them. So in the case of that motor, low speed is a wire where it just sends power to 1/4 of the windings. The next wire is 2 windings, so it sends 50% power, and so on. And then the last wire is full power to all 4 windings, so you get maximum speed. In the case of my motor, it was a black wire, so I just ran the power from this unit straight to the black wire, which gave power to all 4 windings. And then when the controller, when you pick a speed on the controller, it just lowers the frequency, the hertz, and I get 4 speeds. Tip of the day.